to Disney this day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1994, Spaceship Earth reopened at EPCOT in its third version. The update was part of a reimagining of Future World. Jeremy Irons took over the narration, replacing Walter Cronkite. 12 new scenes and a new orchestral score were installed. Most of the scenes in the first half remained the same, but many scenes in the second half were modernized, including the ending and the descent. This version would be in place until July 2007. Hard to believe it showed up 30 years ago. Did you see this version? Did you like it? What was your favorite part? I didn't see it. Anyway, have a magical day.